Hi. On this episode of Fish Rescue, try to get the window down. Okay. Watch this. Clutch, brake.
Oh my god.
You got it, guys.
Holy
Always with the fucking... Come on. There we go. We're going to get this in today.
I don't doubt it at all, David.
That didn't happen. You didn't see that?
Gavin can cut it out.
Yes, he can. Come on. That's it, you got a drill.
Yeah, we got a drill. There.
Yep.
We're back on.
We're back with the drill this time. Come on.
Puppy reference.
Should be about enough to where I can just get one of the big bitches in here. Yo, we got like 2 RPMs right there. Kevin's gonna have fun editing this part. Nothing but drilling for like 20 minutes. I want to be honest, you should never really do it this way unless you absolutely have to. But like, we don't have a breakout bit, so what you gonna do? Okay, I should be able to.
Just pry it out now.
Yeah. Here's the big one. Oh, that tells me the big one's magnetic. Let's drill a little bit more through here. It's a monotonous process, this is. Hi. On this episode of Fish Rescue, watch this. Woo!
Here, hold the phone.
Yeah, hold the phone. Dude, we got the fish started. I wish you were here, Gavin. This is such a monumental occasion of fish.
Yeah, they turn.
Wheels turning?
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay. Take this so I can ship it. Release? Oh,
Oh, died.
got it.
What's up?
Nah, I just forgot to give it gas when I shipped it in the first.